Yo, what's up guys, Sharoy here from Just Another Style Channel, and today we have a Supreme unboxing. So before we get into it, hold up one second, let me pose for that thumbnail. Alright, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first packaging we have today is from week 4. This package I haven't opened for a while now. It's just been sitting on the side, and I thought I'll just open it with a bunch of other packages that came in. What happened with my sideline hoodie, that's another story for another video. Don't worry about that. For this one though, we're gonna get into the week 4 unboxing. I actually messed up this week so hard. What happened was I actually put my debit card CVV in instead of my credit card CVV. And I was getting annoyed and frustrated not knowing what was going on. And by the time I realized what I was doing, I ended up missing out on the White House tee, which is the original tee I wanted. But let's see what I picked up over here. Alright, so I picked up one t-shirt. Let's see what I got. I got the Terra Dome tee in white, and it's in a size large. You guys can see here, I wanted the black originally, but black was sold out, white was still available. That's the beautiful thing about having t-shirts in multiple colors, is that you can actually get a t-shirt pretty easily if you just put a little bit of sense of urgency into checking out on time. So I got the Terra Dome tee in white over here. Black and white were my favorite just because the color contrast. Like, look at the green and look how it contrasts the white over here. And it's just a clean neutral colors. Overall, dope tee. I don't want to take it out of packaging because obviously resell is life, dead stock condition, and you know what it is. And the great thing about this week was that it came with some posters and things like that. I haven't looked in the package and seen what I actually got, so let's go through it together. Alright, so let's see what I actually got inside. I don't want to peek in there. Hold up. Okay. Wait a second. Hold up. What? Yeah, this doesn't feel right. No way. Oh my god! Wow! I don't know if you guys can see this, but they sent me 2 copies of the poster in one order. That's lit. Although both of them seem to have a little rip up here in the corner. Both of them have the rip in the same spot. They sent me 2 posters in the same order. No way. That's actually dope. Alright, so I'm gonna open one up for you guys. This is actually sick. Look at this, guys. Boom. Oh my god! Wow! This is honestly so dope. This is the thing I love about Supreme. When they throw in little things like this, that's what makes the order complete. It's not always about the t-shirt. It's not always about what I actually picked up. Sometimes I look forward to the stickers and the extra goodies inside more than I actually do the items itself. But you got Fear of a Black Planet, showing it one more time. Undercover and Supreme. This is lit. I can actually have one to stock, and you know, this I might give away with the shirt itself. But yo, that's honestly so dope. 2 of these. Nah, this can't be. This is so dope. This unboxing is already off to a good start. Alright, let's get into the stickers and see what we got as well. Alright, and last up for the week 4 pickups is going to be the sticker pack. I'm actually feeling this whole sticker pack thing keeps everything organized and together, but I low-key miss just having the random assorted stickers thrown in the bag. Let's see what happens with the later orders and see if like they keep up this whole thing with sticker packs. But for this week, we got a sticker pack with all the Undercover Public Enemy collaboration stickers, and we got a basic one as well. So shout out to the basic red BOGO that makes it into every order. If you have ordered something from Supreme, you probably have 100 of these by now. So nothing special about this one, but let's get into one that is actually special over here, and that is the Public Enemy Undercover collaboration sticker. Overall, so dope. This design was also on a parka as well. It has a real Star Wars theme to it, and same you'll see with the other stickers as well. The Star Wars font is reused. So over here you got the collaboration BOGO, and I love these. I'm actually gonna make a frame of it when I have enough of them, but for now I'm gonna keep collecting till that happens, and when that does happen, I'll show it off in a video. And now moving on to the next sticker, we got Fear of a Black Planet, which was also the Public Enemy album. And this is the Star Wars font I was referring to earlier. It's pretty cool, it's pretty dope. I didn't get any piece with this on it. And then the last one over here is actually the shirt that I actually wanted. Is a counterattack on a World Supremacy one. And it's on front of the White House, aka the White House tee. It has all the Public Enemy and Undercover Supreme logos at the bottom over here lined up. I found that pretty cool, and I caught an L on the T, but at least I did get all the stickers, so in a way that's a W. I actually did double up on all the stickers because shout out to the plug. They were able to hook me up and get me a sticker pack early before this drop actually happened. So, you know who you are, shout out to the plug. Alright guys, so next up we have the week 6 pickups, and we have some of my favorite summer tees to drop. Let's get into it right away. The first one here is going to be the TV tee. I only picked up 2 things, but the TV tee, people slept on this. It's going for like $200 on StockX. I knew the potential of this tee the minute I saw it. This reminded me of the elephant tee, and that tee was also a heavy hitter. Had similar colors with the pink, and I knew right off the bat that this was going to have a similar feel to it and a similar resale value, and this is already going for $200 right now on StockX. So shout out to all of you who set the bar high and realized the value of this tee. And let's get into one I picked up, size large in black. Black and white are always the safest colors, especially with a design like this. Look at the contrast over here, such a clean contrast. Red BOGO inside, and you guys slept on this tee. I wish I got this in my size and kept it, but sometimes you gotta take an L on personal, make a little money, so I'm not complaining, I'm not hurting. And let's just say your boy got 2 things in 1 cart. I'm not paying for a double cart. I was like Usain Bolt on that keyboard. I was like going off, done. It's like he was doing the 300-meter dash. I was quicker than him when it came to checking out. Got 2 items. This was the first one. Let's see what the second one was. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Hold up. 2 items in 1 cart. This, people slept on this one too here. This is the Illusion Coin Bank. Such a small, dope little accessory. I'm gonna keep this on ice for a while. I'm not opening this. I'm not taking it out of the packaging because I know this is gonna go up over time. People slept on this. This was so cheap. I think this was like 26 bucks. In total, I paid 130 Canadian dollars for everything altogether, shipping included. That's why you gotta get everything in 1 cart, because this would have been another $20 in shipping, and I'm not about that. I would have taken an L on this. But over here, look at that. People go crazy for small accessories like this over time, and I know this is one of those accessories, so I'm not gonna hurt holding on to this for a long time. I can just keep it on the side, keep it on my desk. It still looks cool even in the packaging. It's just a little coin bank. You can actually put money through the top over here. I don't want to take it out because I want to leave it dead stock forever, a long time. Look at that. You got the BOGO floating in there. It's just an overall dope piece. People expected this to be a lot bigger, but what do you expect? It's a small accessory for like 26 bucks. I don't know what you guys were expecting. I was expecting this size anyways, so it's light. But yeah, I'm gonna hold on to this for a while. It's gonna go up over time. The resell that I got for the t-shirt actually covered this, so I pretty much paid nothing this week, and I made money on top of it too. So I'm gonna hold on to this, and in a year or 2, I know this is gonna be a heavy hitter. I'm gonna pull this out, fresh, dead stock, and I know someone's gonna want this. Alright, now that we've seen the items, let's look at the goodies that we got inside. Alright, so they did not do a sticker pack, so they didn't continue with that theme, and they actually gave me 3 stickers over here. And since my videos aren't even getting any like monetization anymore, soft, I can show this one real quick. You got the Nan sticker over here. It's light, Nan Golden. That was a collaboration. I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't my vibe. I know the history behind the pieces because I watched Sleepy's video. I watched Jacob Starr's video. Sorry, not Jacob Keller. But I watched his videos and I got to learn a little bit more about the artist. And it's not my personal favorite, so it's okay. It's whatever. Not a feeling it. We also got the Ladybug sticker over here. This was also one of the summer tee designs, and then we got a Supreme BOGO over here, basic. Honestly, wait, let me double check. No, there is no TV sticker, so they gave me the TV tee without the TV sticker. That's light. I'll figure something out. I think I'm just gonna give this one away to one of my friends because he wanted to complete the collection for this one. I'm not really feeling them at all, so there's no point of holding on to it like I'm gonna get some value out of it. Might as well give it to someone for free who actually likes it. So it's going to my friend. Just gonna give it to him. He loves collecting stickers. I love collecting them too, only the ones I like, and he wanted the full collection. He collects all of them no matter how they look. So I'm just gonna hand that one over to him, and yeah, everyone's happy. And that's pretty much it for the pickups today, guys. So that was 2 weeks worth of pickups. I did get a sideline hoodie, but I got it from a friend for retail because my order got canceled. I'm gonna talk about that in a video some other time probably. But Supreme, you gotta fix that error stuff going on. You getting manual users. I don't want to get into it right now. I'm gonna save that for a whole nother video, but you gotta love Supreme. And that sums it up for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow my playlist down in the description below. It's a vibe. Hopefully you like the music that I listen to. If not, it's all cool. It's still a vibe out with me. It is what it is. Hope you like the music though. And then let me know down in the comment section below what you picked up from these weeks, what L's you got, what W's you got, what you plan on picking up, what hasn't dropped yet, and let me know what you got from the North Face collab because I actually got a 1-2 thing from the collab today that you will see in a later video. Until then, I will see you guys next time.